Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cherry Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Sons of the Forest is having an issue with audio or sound, or it is not working, crackling, muffled and popping audio on your PC when you're trying to play the game, and how we can fix this up. So let's move to the workaround. So the first one, what we have to do is we just have to restart the PC, and that is what we have to do. For restarting the PC, we just have to click over here in the start, go to this, go for a restart, do a simple restart. Sometimes a simple restart can fix a lot of issue, so that is why we're recommending you can try out a simple restart, and this is what you have to do. Next one is all about we have to check the volume mixer. For that reason, we have to go over here in the search, go to settings, now go over here on sound. Over here, as you can see, the speakers are Realtek R audio. So here you have to make sure that output should be 100% in the volume, and if you scroll down you can see the input should be microphone Realtek R audio, and that should be also 100%, and this is what you have to do. So it is an important thing that it should be, if this is muted up, you'll be having an issue with you'll be having a lot of issue with sound, so you have to make sure this is set into 100%, and this is what you have to do. Next one is all about you can do this from here itself, that you have to make sure, that is, you should be selecting the respective correct speaker. So over here in the speaker, I have selected Realtek R audio, as well as in the microphone, I selected Realtek R audio. That is fine. But if you're selecting a wrong speaker, then definitely you'll be having the issue. So you have to make sure that you selected the respective one. Next one is all about we have to set the sound sample rate into 44 or 48 Hertz. So for that, we just have to go over here in the search, go to control panel, go to sound. Now from here, go to speaker, right click and go to properties, go to advanced. Over here under default format, you can see we have many options like 16-bit 4400 Hz, 16-bit 4800 Hz, 24-bit 4400 Hz and 24-bit 4800 Hz. So select the respective one and go for OK. Then just try to play the game. This is what you have to do. Next one is all about we have to disconnect the controller. So as you can see, some users might be playing the game with controllers connected. So what happens is, if you're trying to play the game with controllers already connected, then remove everything, eject everything. Once after that, just launch the game. So once the game is successfully launched, connect back the controller and try to play the game, and this is what you have to do. This did work in the past for many users, so you can try this out. So this is an important step which you have to try out. Next one is all about we have to turn off spatial sound. For that reason, we have to go over here in the search, go to control panel, go to sound. Now from here, go to speaker, right click, go to properties, go to spatial sound. Over here, we have to turn off the spatial sound. So if it is turn it on, we have to change this to turn off and go for apply and go for OK and close everything. Now go back and try to play the game. Next one is all about we have to disable the Oculus voice meter if it is already connected. So Oculus voice meter will be connected, so if it's there, we have to remove it. For that, just go over here, go to control panel, go to sound once again. Over here you will be getting Oculus voice meter. So if here, as you can see, this I don't have any Oculus voice meter, but if it's connected, just select the respective Oculus voice meter and go for disable and remove it, and this is what you have to do. Next one is all about we have to disable the unwanted things from device manager. For that reason, we have to close everything, go back to the task manager, we have to right click, and what we have to do is we just have to go over here, go to device manager. Now from here, go to sound and video over here. So as you can see, the Realtek R audio is my case, but just two things are not much needed, so you have to you can remove it by disabling it. So just disable it. Once after that, just close everything and try to play the game. Next one is all about we have to install audio drivers. For that reason, we have to go over here as well, go to device manager, go to sound and video, go to Realtek R audio over here, right click and go for update driver, go for search automatically drivers, close everything and make sure this is up to date. Last and the least one is all about we have to update Windows. For that reason, we have to go over here, go to settings. Now from here, we have to scroll down and navigate to over here, we have to go to Windows Update. Now from here, make sure you're on the latest version of Windows and update it, and this is what you have to do. So these are the possible workarounds that you have to try out when you're having an issue with the Sons of the Forest audio issues and how we can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.